So we're back again for some more Arch install. This time we're going through the post-install steps, which include me making an empty ZSHRC and grabbing my own special config. First, I gotta install some of the dependencies that I need to actually run my script, but that'll be done relatively quickly. And now we're just gonna clone my repo. That includes the script. It has other stuff as well, but for now I'm just gonna install I'm gonna run the script. And it's changing my shell because, yeah, realistically I should change that so that it doesn't try to install Zshell and change the shell, because I don't need to. I can set the shell from the start, but anyway. Display server. So this is where we run into some issues. First off, oops, nothing comes up because the graphics adapter's kind of fucked. Hyper-V generic VGA adapter is not a valid adapter, and trying to install the basic drivers doesn't necessarily work. There are drivers for the VMware stuff, but there are not drivers for Hyper-V, because who the fuck runs Arch on Hyper-V other than me for some dumb reason. Anyway, gotta install the Xorg and the things, and GNOME. Bit of a meme. But once it's done, what we do is try and make it run. So we reboot a little. We do a little rebooting, and I wait way too long, assuming that it is gonna work. It's not gonna work. There will be no display because, yeah, there's no display for it to output to. It can't detect Hyper-V's display because Hyper-V's fucking dumb. Anyway, we're just going to wait and see. What will I try to and fix this? Other than waiting. We're waiting together. Yes. First of all, after waiting way too long, what do? I try and reconnect on Hyper-V. And what does that do? A fat load of nothing. What a surprise. But wait, TDY2 has output. What's that? Yeah, let's try and stop and start GDM. Will that do anything? No, it fucking won't. And for some dumb reason, I didn't run the status command until the end. But the status shows that there is no display for it to output to, and I'm a dumbass. Thank you.